hot and steamy, ready to be consumed. We have the Kwon Kal, hot water. I learned from my mother. Make sure your hands are always clean and dry. This is what she used to do. The fire must be properly hot. Kwon kate maku, mamira dada. Mana tika miano kwon. Kwon acholi, tikume neni. Kwon pan. I'm going to cover it again, just so that we are tika ku. Kau kate don't cut maku. It will make it look taste barbecue kind of. Children, be careful. Let mommy do it for you. Like that. If you have acquire is a calabash that is nice in shape. This is heaven on earth. Hi everyone, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to show you how to make Kwon Kal, which is millet bread. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. We have our ingredient for the Kwon Kal, which is Kwon Kal. We have the Kwon Kal or millet flour. As simple as that. You just need water and Kwon Kal to make your Kwon Kal. I'm just going to turn my fire on. I already have some hot water. Water boiled before. So, one. Oh, that's not full. It depends on how many people you're making. If you're making it for yourself, just 2 cups is enough. Really. Don't put too much, you know. Okay? You can see our water is boiling now, guys. So, what I usually do, which I learned from my mother, you start, don't worry, you make sure your hands are always clean and dry, yeah? And then this is what she used to do, and that's what I do as well. Just start with that. Yeah. And then actually I can just add a bit more now, really. You know, be careful not to add too much. It's better to add little, and then, you know, when you start mingling, you can always tell whether it is too, you know, too soft, or if it is too hard. Make sure you always have your hot water. You know, today I'm just using my saucepan for boiling the hot water because yeah, so do not start mixing your don't start mixing it too early, but this is what you can do. Yeah, allow it to keep cooking, but I can't tell, you know, by mixing it like that, I can't tell that I need to add more. I can't tell. So I'm going to add a little bit more flour. Do it again, yeah. It's settling now. So I leave it, I'm not going to break the middle yet. I'll just leave it to cook a little bit more on the side. With Kwon Kal, the fire must be properly hot. You know, it must boil properly, the water must boil properly. You must allow it, you know, to cook a little bit before you start mingling. You know, see now I'm breaking, so that the middle part can also, you know, you need to cook a little bit before I start mingling. You can even decide to cover it a little, like that. Give it a few minutes. Okay. So let's start. Make sure that at least you use something for holding the saucepan, yeah? The reason why I said you must have hot water around is because sometimes it just gets too dry. Like now I can't even I can't even tell, this is like a little bit dry. Let me keep going a bit. No, this feels, you can feel it. It feels a little bit. So when you add water like that, when you add water like that, in case the water was not that hot, then please try to break it like that, because you know you don't want it to come out too dry. You know? You can use a knife to get the ones that are not the powdered one back in there. This is what I do. I cover it a little. Yeah? Cover it a little. So that the water that I added is completely, properly boiled. Yeah? It's just a technique. You will always learn. The more you do it, you know, the easier it gets. You just know what to do. When you're mingling and it gets too hot, you know, okay, I need a little bit of water. Even when you're mingling maize meal, it's the same thing. You know, you want it to be soft and nice. Yeah? And then, kwon ne kate maku ma mira de da. Kate maku ma mira. Now, I can continue. Don't worry. It's all going to come together. You'll see. Now, I'm going to go a little bit wide. Okay. Hey, yay. Yeah, it's coming together now. Yeah, it's soft the way I like it now. Yeah. Miano kwon. Mana tika miano kwon. Kwon acholi. Ti come nene. Eh? But one thing you need to know is when you add cassava flour, oh my God, you need to have very strong hands to really mingle. Because cassava makes the bread really hard to mingle, but it is nice. Eh? It comes out very nice. Nicer. I have to pay the price. Eh? Tika mia no kwon acholi. Eh? Ti come. Kwon pan. Maki piero wakere. Eh? Acholi bread. Kwon acholi is acholi bread. Yeah. And you see the stubborn one sometimes doesn't. You know, some of the powder is still even showing. Now the fire, the saucepan is getting a little bit burnt, so you have to reduce. Because actually our kwon is really done. I'm just going to try and get rid of the, I think the flour is gone. I think it is gone. And we are actually, now, this is another thing, guys. This is another thing that I want you to know. You know, this kwon, we want it to come out really tasting so so flavorsome, eh? So just for at least about 2 minutes, I'm going to cover it again. Eh? Make sure the fire is completely down. Just so that we are tika kure dong. Eh? Kau kati dong kati maku. Eh? Because the flavor from a little bit of the bun from the bottom part of the saucepan will infuse into the bread, and it will make it taste barbecue-y kind of. Yeah, very nice. Okay, guys. we are definitely done. Yeah. Actually, I'm just going to. You can actually even hold it like this. Be careful. If it is, children, be careful. Let mommy do it for you. Like that. Yeah. Then I take that off. Sorry. And then quickly use. If you have a choir at home there. And yeah, if you have a choir is like a calabash that is nicely shaped. For what? For shaping the Kwon Kal. Yeah. May not come out that perfect, but hey, I think we are nearly there. That's it, guys. Our Kwon Kal is done. Now, if you want to keep it hot, you can always, if you are not ready to serve, you can always keep that there like that. And once the Kwon is made, you shouldn't waste time. Serve it immediately and eat. So guys, here is our Kwon Kal, our millet bread. Hot and steamy, ready to be consumed. You can enjoy it with, ball. Yeah. You can enjoy with meat, stewed meat, or you can use it for eating fish, maybe dried fish with peanut sauce in it. We love our peanut. Yeah. Yeah. You can go with any of those foods. And malakwang as well. You can also use it for eating malakwang. This is the moment of truth. This is just enough for one person actually. So, hey, I'm going to give it a taste. Now this is how we actually cook, we actually eat at home. You get it like that. Make sure your hands are washed. Yeah? So you do like that. Don't make it too big. Yeah, round like that, and then you make a hole. Like that. Gee, toda. Sorry, I'm just excited. So this is what you do, and heaven on earth. This is heaven on earth. Guys, try it out at home and enjoy. I believe you will enjoy. Thank you. Now I'm going to eat now. Bless you. Please, if you like our presentation, give this video a thumb up, a like, a comment, and please subscribe to our channel. Support us so that we can bring you more contents like this. Thank you. God bless you. We love you all.